Made the call. Just made the call, boys. Shit dead over here, boss. EK didn't need much, just a nice cleanup. Can't get Manolo back because I still got the Porsche here. So I figured, hey, I got to do something with this week, right? Yeah, I just called JDM Engine Depot. I'm just going to go pick up a K24 and build one for the hell of it. Thinking about doing a giveaway with that motor and then having it on Gunner Day, December 15th. Like the same day as Gunner Day, have like a live drawing for it. So I don't know if you guys paid attention in the past few vlogs where Seb had dropped off some OEM parts. You seen the Type R valve cover in the side. On the cut like germs. I got a clutch from Action Clutch. I got a flywheel. I got an intake manifold. I got gaskets. I don't know. I got a transmission. I just ordered an engine stand. You see where this is going here? You see where this is going, right? Because shit, I'm bored. And I told you I was going to do a better job at this giveaway stuff, man. The excitement is there. It's fun. I hope this ticket thing catches on with the air fresheners. We keep it simple. We keep it minimal. There's not 10, 20, 30, 80, 200,000 entries, 1 million, 4 million. We just keep having fun. And keep giving me something to do. If you're excited, I'm waiting for Sebi because he's off today. We're going to take a drive down to Jersey, JDM Engine Depot, where I always go. Ask to speak to Will. Tell him, yo, I'm a gunner. Tighten me up. They can't give you much of a discount, but I'll tell you this. I've never had an issue with any motor that I purchased from them. Never. They all come pretty decent. They need a little TLC with cleaning and paint. What doesn't, right? But for the most part, waiting for Seb. We're going to hit the road. It's a holiday today, so traffic should not be bad. I want to take advantage of it. I want to have something to do. If you're ready for the vlog, comment something dope below. Comment something positive. Smash that like button. Share the channel. Let's start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Alright guys, well I can't record in there at the moment. They got some music. I'm going to tell them to bring it down. But me and Seb got here safe and sound. I didn't want to bore you guys with a long trip. But if you ever come in here, pause, speak to Will. He'll try to take care of you as much as possible. Somebody left this letter here. I want to read it for my boy right now. Hey Aki, just wanted to say I'm here. Inspired by you. Keep gunning. Don, that's his IG. Love, brother. It's pretty dope, man. Walk into this place and they give me this note right here. Love and admire you for that. God bless you. I'll reach out to you on Instagram, bro, if that was your handle. But yeah, man. I'm gonna wait for a K24 to come out. They're probably cleaning one up, and then we'll see what we got. See how dark it is? Let me see. They bring the music down. Hold on. All right. Yeah, we got a couple of motors. I don't know what this is. Looks expensive. This looks expensive. Yeah, there goes those 20s, K20As. But they got a ton of motors here. I know this sounds repetitive, but this is my go-to place to get any kind of engine. We picked up Seb's motor here. We knocked it out in a couple of days, back to 500, 600 horsepower car. I tell you, man, you know, Will makes perfect sense. He said that the high compression B20Zs go for about 1,100 bucks. You still got to swap the cylinder head on it. You can just pick up a K24 for $900 and make, I don't know, 50, 60 more horsepower than a B. But, I mean, right now he's saying that it's the best time to buy like an RBB3, RBB4, K24 high compression. Real quick, guys, look at this. I mean, look at this room. There's no shortage There's absolutely no shortage of any Ks here. I mean, this whole row is K. There's a couple of transmissions here, but K series here. You've got K series here. K series here. There's more back there. More transmissions here. This is JDM Engine Depot in Belleville, New Jersey. It was about a 35-minute drive from the garage. Now again, real quick, I know a lot of you have been DMing me questions also. Hey Aki, I'm trying to buy a motor from, I don't know, hmotors.com, whatever, right? JDM Motors, whatever. You always want to get a high compression K24. So they're going to ask you low compression, high compression. High compression every single time. You want to aim for an RBB3, RBB4. RBB2 just means that it's an older model engine for a K24A high compression. So in my opinion, you go with the times, and with the times means RBB4, RBB3. Seb's motor that we picked up after his failure was an RBB4. Everything bolted up, everything is fine, there's no difference. We swapped the oil pump out, we put his turbo kit back onto it, car's back to normal, 10 pounds makes 500 horsepower. So RBB3, RBB4, you're in good shape, but always order the high compression. We found another room with Ks. A whole nother, remember I was in that room over there, walk into here, look. More Ks. That whole corner is K series. Yeah, like I said, there's not a shortage of Ks, but you kind of got to be, you kind of want to be ahead of the times because you don't know what the economy is going to do, right? You don't know what the hell's going to go happen. So we're going to probably pick up a motor today for like $1,000 after taxes, right? Who knows? Next year they might be $1,400. That's why I was saying if I had the space, I seriously would try to negotiate a deal to buy at least 50.
You showed him these here?
Yeah, I showed him these. Yeah.
You're gonna have to expect them to go up, right?
They're gonna go up. It's like the same thing we said about the B16. Oh, there's a ton of them. They'll never go up. A B16 now is a couple of $1,000s for the long block, like $4,000 for the long block. He said that they sold a B16B swap for $8,500. That's transmission and long block. Bro, you still need to get mounts. You still need to, clean your axles.
Go, guys. Let it go.
Join the K world while you can, man. $900. It'll make you a hero. Fresh out the cleaner, boys. We're gonna pop open this valve cover, make sure that the internals look good, make sure this motor was taken care of, and if not, they'll bring another one. But for the most part, it's as usual. They power wash them, they clean them up as best as they could. This is an RBB4, so this is, I believe, is an 07, 08 TSX, or Odyssey, or whatever, or Absolute. But this is a great motor too. This is the same exact motor we put into Seb's car. Same one. It's all good. We can always use another clip. She's
Always
clean. Good job. Yeah, this is so you'll be able to see if a motor's kind of been through hell, and the people over in Japan haven't really given it enough oil changes or never loved the motor. And you kind of see like this carbon buildup. This motor was definitely taken care of though. You see how clean and how it still holds. So now what he'll do is he'll spin the motor to make sure it has compression. So you'll start to hear some air get pushed out through the exhaust and whatever vacuum is open through the intake. Spins good, has compression, and that's it. We're golden. So we'll take this motor home. Gave us the cleanest one possible, and that's it. My boy always takes care of me. Yes, sir. We're gonna leave it in the front. Back at the garage. How is it, Seb? Seb's in love because this is almost as mint as Frank Duke's. It reminds him a lot of when he bought his car. But yeah, man, what a beautiful machine. Yo, you know what's crazy, Seb? Today's Monday, the 9th. The giveaway starts Friday. So this is like the 4th vlog after the reveal. I have no idea what the giveaway is doing right now. It's probably sold out. It's probably not. No one knows yet. We kind of threw people off today on Instagram by posting that we went and got a motor. So people are thinking something. I love the suspense though, bro.
What a beautiful car. Man.
It's a sick car, man. What a sick car. I can't wait to see what happens, what someone does with it. It's sick. Yeah, we've literally been staring at this car for like an hour.
I can't get enough. I just can't believe it.
It's a sick car.
Jesus.
It's kind of like mind-boggling, like when you know exactly what bolt goes where. You know, like, you know that this, usually nobody really uses this bracket to hold the fuel return. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. It's usually just hanging there or just driven down, but this bracket has a purpose. So it kind of brings you back to how much you should appreciate these machines, you know, like the headlight harness that clips into the chassis that goes around, like, you know, you've got your battery cover here. Again, I really think this giveaway is probably gone already, but it's so awesome to look at something this clean. So awesome. But yeah, we have the motor in here, guys. We'll talk a little bit further on that. Me and Seb are gonna, you know what, Seb? Let's open that box and show them what we got in there real quick. Yeah, Seb, what do you got there? We got a clutch and flywheel kit, Action Stage 3, the best clutch, period, for this setup here. Then remember, you guys, I was starting to gather up some parts. So I've got a fresh powder-coated Type R valve cover. Original OEM grommets. Yes, sir.
Look at this.
Shout out to, who is it, Seb?
JT powder coating.
JT powder coating. I bought one for Seb too, for his car, because I really think it's going to bring out his engine bay. Seb, in my opinion, this is the best powder coating job, Type R replica, whatever you want to call it, I've ever seen. He's getting every one of my valve covers. I showed you the black one that he did, right? How awesome did that look? No. Guys, let's really slow down. This is not a Type R valve cover. This is a powder-coated K24 one. Just give me a second. I mean, JP, if you're watching right now, please give JT a huge shout out for us, man. Incredible work. I got 2 done. I'm gonna keep sending them K-Series valve covers. All right, so we got a couple of things in here. So this is some stuff I had laying around. That's for the heater core, whoever decides to use that. That's a intake manifold gasket. June had given me that. I have a RBC upstairs. We've got a brand new Type S oil pump. Shout out to my boy Cerruti. We got we got the receipt here. What we pay for all this stuff that you're about to see with a discount. So we've got our chains, timing chain, tensioner, baffle, windage tray, whatever you want to call it. We have our K24 guides. We have our top guide here. Perfect. What is this? Oil pump tensioner. Yep. Very
One of the most satisfying feelings is when you pull that pin.
Yeah, after you put it on timing, right?
Oh my god.
Well, not after timing. Oil pump chain. RBC adapter. I'm going to order a throttle body for this motor. Oil pump chain guide. Let's get that part number to my people. So that's what I've gathered so far to start doing this build. And now in the comments for this motor giveaway, you guys control it. Do you want me to add the transmission? Do you want me to bolt up the transmission, or do you want to leave that for a separate one? Comment below. Let's do it big. Pause. But I'm gonna keep collecting parts. I'm gonna call K-Tune today, try to gather up some more parts for my boy Sean. But yeah, man, this motor's gonna look incredible soon. I ordered a stand for it. And actually it gives me something to do. I'm probably gonna start working on stripping this motor tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Who's that? Nah, you ruined the surprise. You weren't supposed to be here till after Friday.
I came to pick up the Porsche at the tow truck right there.
If you fit, you can take it.
I'll fit.
I'm pretty sure you can. Well, guys, end of the day here. Fluff came by. We had an awesome conversation with him. We chopped it up about life. I'm happy for that man. He's going into hopefully owning his own business and his own transportation company, and I hope it goes well for him. Me and Seb have been sitting here pondering what to do with this motor. So the next vlog, I'll start tearing it down, getting it ready for the Type S oil pump conversion, and I'm also thinking about what other stuff to order for the motor. So I'm thinking about hitting up my boy Sean at K-Tuned, maybe getting a bunch of parts from there. And this should be a fun series also. Again, I kind of need stuff to have content with. I kind of, like Seb was saying, people are, you know, always saying, yo, when's the next giveaway? You know, it's exciting. It's something to look forward to. So, I don't know, what was I saying? Like, hopefully, like, one every 2 months, one every month, something. We're thinking about doing a turbo kit. We said we should do a turbo motor giveaway, right? I don't know, guys, comment below, what would you be interested in me doing as far as a giveaway? Maybe we can get an idea from them in the comments. So, again, weird vlog, not normal, kind of just waiting for, like, this giveaway to start with the, you know what I said would be a good name for this car? Silver Dollar. You know, a silver dollar is always mint. You know, it's clean. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you enjoyed this vlog. Keep me in the loop. You know, your opinion's always valued. I read all of them as much as I can. And I love and appreciate you guys. From me and Seb,